Here we have different types of loops supported in Python programming languages. We have different loops: while loop and for loop. While loop has the expression while of expression over here, and if the expression is true, the respective statement blocks will be get executed. For example, maybe I'm going to add loops over here. New file, Python, maybe while loop.py over here. I just added. For example, I am going to declare a variable x equals 0, and while x less than 10, this particular blocks has to be executed. Print or x equals over here, this one, and we have the dot format of x, and once it is done, I am going to increment x equals x plus 1 over here. I did the increment. Now we will see the output, how we are getting. Run. Maybe I'm going to run the while.py has to be executed. I am running this while.py. We got the output x colon 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. It got executed, and x less than 0, and once it becomes 10, that loop get terminated, and if this particular expression is false, then the loop will get terminated break out of the loop. And if this conditional expression is true, then the block of statements within that loop will get executed. For example, initially x will be 0 less than 100, it got true, and then we got the output of x equals 0, that we got output over here, and we got the x got incremented by 1 with the help of x equal to x plus 1 here, and it reaches up to 9, and it stopped that terminates the loop execution once the x variable reaches the value of 10 over here.